Okay, now we will show you how to connect the 3-in-1 machine and with the vacuum pump. Now you can see this is the power line of the 3-in-1 machine, and this is the tube to connect the machine with the vacuum pump. Okay, first let me show you. Firstly, connect the power line in this way. And connect with the electricity. Okay. And now this is the power line of the vacuum pump. Connect with this. Okay. Then this is the tube to connect the machine with the vacuum pump. This is a kind of connector that we will show you. We will send to you for free with the machine. Okay, like this.
试一下。
And then push this button.
下面两个开关打开，这就可以了。
Okay.
关掉。下一个。
Please pay attention to this tube. This tube needs the 8 mm. You can see. Okay. Next one. This is our OCA vacuum laminating machine. This is power line. First, connect the power line. This. And then connect with the electricity. Okay, like this. And then the vacuum pump. Also connect with the electricity.
这边贴这边。这里。
Okay, like this. This is the tube to connect with the vacuum pump.
蓝色是才是。
Okay, this red tube. This is green tube. Connect like this.
可以了。接空压机白色的。
This is this white tube connect with the air compressor.
这是空压机的，揭开、打开、拧开把它。
这里是吗？
推，拧开，用拧螺丝上拧，不是这样，要拧下面那个螺丝。对，可以了。
可以吗？
可以了，这不是有了吗？可以了，试一下。
Okay. Then push this red button.
按这个，手要推到那个，两个手，左手推那个，右手，左手推，左手推，左手推，右手按那个，可以吧？
可以了，关了。
不用关，操作完了就可以了。
Okay. Next one. This is our bubble removing machine. This machine needs to connect with the air compressor. Firstly, this is power line. Connect the power line in the back of the machine. Okay. And then connect with the electricity.
子，空压机。
This is the tube to connect with the air compressor. You see, like
套上
this.
去，套上去，拿螺丝套上去，别套反了啊。用力推进去。OK。
And screw this tightly.
Okay. 这里有一个，这还有一个。
Then connect this with the vacuum pump.
拧开还是要拧开？可以了。再接着这个开关开上打开就可以了。下面来打开，下面那个按一下，按一下就可以了。
Okay.
里面有气的通就可以了，关掉。OK。
The last one is the manual laminating machine for OCA and polarizer laminate. This 这个
就这个线呢，就接着线接上去就可以了。
是不是连接好了呀？
你跟他说就说怎么连接就可以了呀，连接好了。
Okay, first laminate the vacuum pump like this.
电
And
源，
this one,
那个有没有电源？就说接电源就行了，是不是没电？
connect with the electricity. 这个是
接不过来了
接不
接过来。就可以了。还有个开关。
And this is a foot swift. You can like this with your foot. Because this is a manual machine.
可以了。介绍完了。再回一遍好吧，看一下。
Okay, you can see this 3-in-1 machine. You just need to
可以了，那就。